actually mill up the timber, either for the owner's private use, or we can sell it on into the market. The nice thing is we're not having to haul out all the slab wood, etc. We just bring out the square edge boards that can be used. Instead of growing lots of timber and then sorting out the better quality from the poorer quality, your firewood, etc. This way we encourage the growth of better trees, more easily millable, higher value. Therefore we can move in with this machine and then add that value to that specific tree. It also encourages a wider age group of trees in the woodland as well. When you take out one big one, you get natural regeneration rather than the cost of replanting and clearing. The big commercial guys, that's of no interest to them because they've got the cost of their machinery to cover. So we come in on a much smaller scale with less impact on the environment and the woodland flora and fauna, and just take out those individual trees that are ready for harvesting. Just give the blade a quick sharpen now. It won't be a full sharpen, just to freshen it up a little bit. Made sure the engine's safety is off. I've got the key in my pocket. These are tungsten carbide tips, so we've got a diamond impregnated sharpener here. This has all been set up so the angles are all correct.
So the controls to the piece are fairly simple. We've got a wheel here which controls the movement of the saw across, so we use that for moving the direction of across the log, and we can set the brake in there so that it keeps that locked in. And we've got another piece of equipment there which is used for doing the height.
First of all, I'm just zeroing it, make sure we've got a baseline to work from. Then Ian will tell me what he wants cut. 20. So off with the brake, round to 20 mil.
Peterson has a number of scale settings here so that we can actually set that in advance and then cut the boards consistently to those dimensions. And it takes into account the curve of the blade, and wherever along this scale we set that is actually the measurement that it will cut once we move the log along to that position. And then we lock it in, so that would now be ready to cut 150 mil wide board. This type of mill is a swing blade mill, so when we're in a push going forward position, we have the blade horizontal, and when we on our return cut to cut the other edge, we actually at the other end of the log we use this handle to rotate the blade into a vertical position, and then that allows us to pull the mill back and actually do the second cut.